Everyone, so it's Kyle here with Can Do Power Stocks. I'm going to start up the Kyle's K again. I had it with a fake account, but for some reason I was up like 30, 40, 50%, and the account just popped me up to like 300%. I would love the gains, but it was definitely wrong. So I started up Kyle's K again with $1,000, and I'm going to show you kind of what I would do if I was going to start out kind of today with $1,000. I would rather it really move instead of buying little swing trades. I'd be sticking with earnings reports because you get big jumps, whether it's up or down. I'd really want to risk to get some good traction to hopefully get some big gains right off the bat. So I'm going to get into tonight CTRP. It's a $39 stock. It's in China, and it consolidator of hotel accommodations, airline tickets, mainly for holidays and stuff, and business. The earnings growth is 11%. The sales have steadily increased 22 to 67%, so it's got great sales over the last 2 years. Has little to no debt, and it's also down over 30% from its 52-week high. So this is definitely a solid investment for the earnings report. Low debt and sales and growth rate in earnings. So even being a Chinese stock right now, like I feel with this week, with the U.S. was reaching new highs by the end of last week. I think that and Chinese stocks got hit hard on the U.S. exchange. So I'm definitely going to go into the Chinese this week. I like to hold off a lot of times. It's just a little bit of notes. Like a little bit of news can really disrupt it. So I've already bought in a little bit. What I'm going to do, you can see I have a little over 1,000 US, and I've already bought a little bit of it, CTRP. So I'm going to try to buy a little bit more. I'm going to try to leverage that out, so you could see how I'm in the positive right now. I'm going to try to buy maybe 1,500 US, 1,000 US. Hey, so I'm back. I had to edit out a big section of this video because the account numbers kept showing up of all the different accounts I had, and it would have taken forever to edit out all my account numbers. So, well, we had the like $1,000 account was like $1,440. I was able to buy $1,878 worth of shares. So I got 50 shares in CTRP. So total market value is, like I said, $1,878. So if I was going to start all over again, I would definitely leverage up a little bit. So now my profits are going to be nearly double, which is kind of incredible to be able to just boom. Like if we're right on this, I get a 20%er. We're going to be getting some good traction on the market, even though with a Chinese stock, yeah, I don't know. It's still like it's risky, but at the same time, they got hit really hard last week. So like definitely this stock is undervalued. So I will keep in touch tomorrow and let you know how it goes.